I want to share an update on Operation Squirrel from a recent test flight that I did with my good friend Sean. In this video, you'll see two clips. In the first clip, my friend Sean is filming as the drone autonomously arms itself, takes off from the ground, and then follows me as I run around the park. You'll also notice that when I run towards the drone moves backwards. This is behavior that we've programmed into the drone to ensure that the drone never loses track of the target. In the second clip, you'll see me attempt to juke the drone, and that I'm unable to do so. Although I'm not very fast, so maybe it's not that impressive, but even if I were a lot faster, we could just tune the PID controller to respond more quickly to a faster target. I hope you enjoy the video.
No, it's going to guide it. Arms.
As soon as I walk up to it,